Meet John. Like many of us, John has big dreams for 2025. But here's the truth. He will likely forget these resolutions within a few weeks. John needs to understand something important. Building habits isn't about motivation. It's about creating a system that works. According to psychologists, a habit is a behavior that becomes automatic through repetition. The biggest mistake people make is trying to change too much too quickly. Start small. Your environment determines your behavior. Set it up to make success easy and failure difficult. To make a habit stick, it should take less than 2 minutes to start. Often, the hardest part is getting started. Habits thrive on feedback. Tracking progress makes success feel tangible. Celebrate small wins with rewards. The secret to long-term success is to stop focusing on what you want to achieve and start focusing on who you want to become. Here are 5 powerful habits John can build this year. Read daily, exercise regularly, reduce social media, practice gratitude, and improve relationships. If John can do this, so can you. 2025 can be the year you build unbreakable habits. Start small, stay consistent, change your life. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And let us know in the comments, what habit will you build in 2025?